Solve the simultaneous equations showing clear algebraic working. So we've got 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 18. 3x plus 5y is equal to 1. So if we write down 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 18, we'll call that equation 1. And then write down 3x plus 5y is equal to 1 and call that equation 2. Right, I want to make the numbers here the same. So in order to make them 15, I'd need to multiply the top one by 5 and the bottom one by 3, i.e. with the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. So multiplying by 5, I'm going to get 20x times minus 15y is equal to, now don't forget to do the minus 18 times 5, which is minus 90. Here we're going to multiply by 3, so 3 times 3 is 9x, 3 times 5, which is going to be 15y, 3 times 1, which is 3. Now what we need to do is because this is a minus and a plus, we need to just add the two equations together. So we're going to get 29x, minus 15 plus 15, nothing, so we've eliminated that. And minus 90 plus 3 is minus 87. Dividing both sides by 29, we're going to get that x is equal to minus 3. Now we take that and substitute it either into 1 or 2. So substituting into 1, we're going to do 4 times x, so it's 4 times minus 3y is equal to minus 18. That gives minus 12, minus 3y is equal to minus 18. If we add 12 to both sides, we're going to get minus 3y is equal to minus 6. And then we're going to get, divide by minus 3, we're going to get y is equal to 2. If we check in equation 2, i.e. if we put a value of x and y in here, do we get 1? 3 times minus 3 plus 5 times 2, that's going to give me minus 9 plus 10, which in fact does give me 1. So that's what I wanted, so that's okay. So my two values are okay, so just write them out. X is minus 3 and y is equal to 2 is the final answer. If we draw graphs of these two things, then the coordinates or the point of intersection will be minus 3, 2. I hope this has been a video to show you how to solve simultaneous and linear equations. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.